In this video, you will see how to insert rupee symbol in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab and then click on Special Characters. You will see this window. Now, to type the rupee symbol, under the font, here you need to select this font Telugu MN or Malayalam MN. Any font is okay. And then next to character block, select here currency. Now type RU in the search box and then click on the rupee symbol to select it and then click on insert. In this way, you can easily insert Indian rupee symbol in LibreOffice Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon.